How do you fix MOUSE P.I for hire is crashing on Steam? First, you will need to go to your Steam library, right-click on the game and open up the properties. And then in your launch options box, you want to add -dx11 and then go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files. Once this process is done, you can close Steam and then open up your browser and search for Redist. Click on the first link and make sure to install the 86 installer and the 64, both of them, to get the redistributables. And then you will need to reboot your computer. And right after the reboot, you want to also check for your GPU drivers and make sure to get the latest updates, whether you have the NVIDIA app or the AMD software. And then you will need to open Steam as admin. Right-click on Steam and run as admin. And just launch your game from the Steam library. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.